Hey, buddy. Beautiful redtail. So, Groom Lake Road, Area 51. How cool is that? Just got within a few miles of the gate. Had to turn back around, heading back to meet up with Lee and Yog, and from Dreamland Resort and KLW World News. Bear Leak Project. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Beautiful day today. Gotta love it. Hello. So cool. There he is. Thank you so much for saying hello. So cool. We were just way out there. And there's the super cool tower. And there's our buddy. We're heading back up there to meet up with Lee. There he is. Boom. See you soon. Check us out on Patreon.